time of year again. Those hard-to-find wild black raspberries are ripe and succulent. So it's time for North American and Urban Spice team to search the wilderness for these tiny dynamos that nourish the body and support and maintain good health. Good health means being free to enjoy an active and productive life. Who wouldn't want it otherwise? If you think it's easy to get these wild foods, think again. It's not just the hot sun baking on us and our pickers to a crisp. There are many surprises lurking in the wilderness. Protective gear helps to keep those nasty surprises like ticks, mosquitoes, biting flies, spiders, wasps, and all of those things from attacking as the foraging takes place. But you know, it's worth it. Research shows that berries, especially the elusive black raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants and anthocyanins that create the rich, vibrant color of the berries. And there's so much more besides that. They're required for your optimal cellular health, and it keeps you healthy. Black raspberries are also rich in raspberry ketones, and you know what they do. Remember North American Urban Spice. We are the wilderness company because wild is the most powerful source. We always go the extra mile to find, make, and provide the very best to keep you healthy and happy.